by the way, full credit to Benjamin Cowen for sharing this on his YouTube channel. He discovered one of the most important concepts in Bitcoin, which is something called the 50-week moving average. It sounds complicated, but it's really simple. If you take the average closing price, meaning the price at the end of the week, for the last 50 weeks, you get a certain trend line. And what Ben noticed is that when Bitcoin is in a bull cycle, it's always stayed above that line. But when Bitcoin's price goes below that 50-week moving average level, that marked the end of the bull cycle and the beginning of the long cool-off period. That's what people call the bear market. Now, I know this sounds kind of like astrology, but this is backed by data going back more than a decade. And this week, we broke below that price point. That's not good, right? Because when investors all start to see that same pattern, they think, okay, that's it, right? That's the end of the bull cycle. So I'm gonna sell and I'm gonna come back in a year from now. If price breaks trend, when that happens, their rules tell them to sell. And when you have enough people following that same pattern or same signal, that's when it becomes the reality. So that's the technical explanation behind what's happening.